2022 Ford F-150 Lightning. With less than 56,000 miles on the odometer, this pickup truck offers 2 full rows of seating for premium comfort. You'll enjoy first-class features that create a premium environment, such as cross-traffic alert, lane keeping assist, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, navigation, multi-zone air conditioning, blind spot monitor, all-wheel drive, parking aid sensor, heated side view mirrors, backup camera, tinted windows, electric motor, plug-in electric, pass-through rear seat. Not finding what you're looking for? Give us your feedback.